Today we are going to talk about the readings. We have the fill-ups of this reading. The reading is implementing the cycle of success, a case study. Here are the fill-ups. So we are bound to use only one word in the fill-up. So we will not use two words. So here are the fill-ups. What they did at SAH. Teams of employees were selected from different hotel departments to participate in a dash exercise. Teams of employees were selected. एम्प्लॉयज़ की टीम को सिलेक्ट किया गया अलग अलग होटल डिपार्टमेंट में से किस चीज़ के लिए किया गया? टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डैश एक्सरसाइज. द आंसर इज बेंच मार्किंग एक्सरसाइज एंड आंसर इज हेयर. Most crucial way, however, of improving the labor cost structure at SAH was to find better, more productive ways of providing customer service. SAH management concluded this would first require a process of benchmarking. So सबसे पहले क्या होगा? It require a process of benchmarking. So benchmarking is the answer. Next, the information collected was used to compare range of service delivery processes, which in turn led to the development of. So यहाँ पे आंसर है the information collected was used to compare. जो information collect की गई थी वो किस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ की? Was used to compare service delivery processes. After benchmarking is the answer. The prime objective of the benchmarking process was to compare a range of service delivery process across a range of criteria using teams made up of employees from different departments within the hotel. So range of service delivery is the answer. Which in turn led to the development of, जिसकी वजह से क्या develop हुआ? Development of performance measures that would be used to increase the hotel's capacity to improve productivity as well as quality, led to the development of performance measures. This process led to the development and resulted in performance measures that greatly enhanced SAH's ability to improve productivity and quality. So the answer of 9 is productivity and quality. As the quality is mentioned in the question, so you have to write only productivity as well as quality. Next is also an older program known as Take Charge was introduced at SAH. SAH में एक older program जिसका नाम Take Charge था उसे भी introduce किया गया. Take Charge is the answer. In addition, a program modeled on an earlier project called Take Charge. क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है नोन एज एंड कॉल्ड टेक चार्ज, उसका नेम था टेक चार्ज इज द आंसर. इन दिस प्रोग्राम डैश इज सॉट फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स एंड स्टाफ. व्हाट इज सॉट? फीडबैक इज सॉट. फीडबैक इज सॉट फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स एंड स्टाफ. फीडबैक इज द आंसर. टेक चार्ज वॉज इम्प्लीमेंटेड. एसेंशियली टेक चार्ज provides an effective feedback loop from both customers and employees. So feedback is the answer. Wherever possible, employees or staff suggestions are implemented within 48 hours. 48 hours के अंदर जो suggestions हैं उन्हें implement किया जाता है. suggestions किनके हैं? employees और staff के. Customer comments, both positive and negative, are recorded by staff. These are collated regularly to identify opportunities for improvement. Just as importantly, employees are requested to note down their own suggestions for improvement. AHI has set an expectation that employees will submit at least 3 suggestions for every one they receive from the customers. Employees' feedback is reviewed daily and suggestions are implemented within 48 hours. So employees either or staff you can write. Other suggestions are investigated for their feasibility for a period of up to 30 days. If suggestions require analysis or data collection, the Take Charge team has to 30 days in which to address the issue and come up with recommendations. So 30 days they are taking to follow the solution.